Now we are going to see what is a priority queue and how we can use priority queue in Java and what are the image advantages of priority queue. So before moving to priority queue, we will first discover the queue. If you are trying to book a ticket in a railway station, what you do is you would stand in a queue and you will try to book a ticket. Here, the person who is standing at the first would be given preference. So here, first in first out, based on first in first out basis. Whereas in priority queue, the principle is slightly different. Here in priority queue, it gives preference to some people or some elements based on some ordering. So basically, priority gives preference to natural ordering. Natural ordering means, suppose if you are trying to hold the elements, string elements means it gives preference based on the alphabetical order. If you are trying to hold the elements of integer means it gives based on ascending order. So if you want to hold this ordering, you can do using comparator overriding operation. So what we have done is we have created object of priority queue and then we added Rakesh line and Chenchu. Suppose if you are trying to run this program, you would see this support Chenchu Rakesh line. The reason behind here is Chenchu comes first in alphabetical order and then Rakesh and then Denny. And then what we have done is we are trying to get the topmost head of the element using peak. So peak returns the head of the element. So it returns the Chenchu. If you want to get the head of the element and simultaneously remove the head of the element, means you need to use dot pole. So what it does is it will remove the pole, it will remove the Chenchu and then returns, and then the refined priority queue is name and Rakesh. So thanks for watching.